Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally I received my BTS 2020 winter package, and I know that a lot of unboxings has already out. Like the people in Korea already received them so long ago, but I'm super excited to finally get mine on hands. Sorry about these pixelated marks. Without further ado, let's get on to the unboxing. It is super pretty. It says 2020 winter package, BTS, and then oh, that's so cute. That's them. That's when they nearly crashed together. So let's open it. Oh my gosh, so excited. Okay, I got the CD. Sorry it's a bit bright. It says 2020 winter package. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, that's so pretty. Oh, the 7 snowmans. I wonder which one represents which. That's so cute. Okay, next is this. This is some cards. Ooh, let's unbox that. Ooh. Okay, how do you open this? Oh, so they're just standees? Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. So here it is. Ooh, look at the hair. It looks so pretty. So cute. They're made really nicely. Okay, so this is a blue book. I got J-Hope. Super cute. It's blue. Got another J-Hope book. I think I got one before already. J-Hope again. Wow, so pretty. It says 2020 winter package. I'm not gonna pronounce this because I'm scared to pronounce it wrong. Then, okay, here it is. Then there's this first photo, just him holding the umbrella, super cute. Has the date on the top, day 1. Oh, sorry about the glare. This is J-Hope. Oh, I really love his hair this time, and I did already watch the video. Wow, so pretty. I think this hairstyle really fits him well. Oh, some selfies with J-Hope, Jimin, and Jin. Oh, that's the back. Oh, there's some group photos too. Wow, some photos. And then there's, I wonder who took them. And then there's the 4 of them. Really pretty. And there's a group one. That's so nice. Nice to have a group one. And then, okay. Oh, they do have ink subs. I'm can pause and read. I don't want to make this too long. These words are some hearts. Put on here. So pretty. I really love the color. So blue. And there's a snowman in the middle. Okay, what's this? Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Okay. Wow. Is this, do you open this? No, I think it's just like a card. It says one and only army. That's so pretty. What does it say on the bottom? Oh, okay. Wow, I really like it. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Everything is so pretty. What are these? It's like a, wow, everything is so nice this time. Photo cards! Oh my gosh. Okay, there's RM, Suga, In, J-Hope, Jimin, oh my gosh, his hair, V, and Jungkook. I don't know what Sway is saying, this camera's giving me anxiety. There's Jungkook, the light in the back. It looks so pretty. It looks like there's printed photos. I'm in love this time. Oh my gosh, last of all is our book. So, oh my gosh, there's still things on the back. Okay, let's get back into that later. Let's look at our photo book first. So it has the white background with, it says winter package with them in the middle. That's so cute. Okay, so excited. First page first. Okay, first page first is this. Green grass area. Flip this side. Let's look at the rest of our items. Okay, so back to this. I'm like, what is this? Okay, I think that's it. A little box. Okay. What is this? Winter package. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Holy cracks. What is there? Are these stickers? How am I supposed to put them back in? There's Timmy, V, and last but not least, Jungkook. Oh my gosh. There's still more? Oh my gosh, I can't take this. Suga. Oh my gosh. First time ever. Jin is nearly out there. And then there's J-Hope. I know. Jimin. BTS just trying to kill all of us. V. And lastly, Jungkook. Like scenery photos in the back with the location that they took photos at. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my goodness. Front and back. Big kid, please don't do this to me. How am I supposed to put it back in now? Oh, just like this. Insanely pretty, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's so many stuff. In the photo book, I can't even fit it. Okay, so my favorite thing, how can I say? I really love this part. Just pulling it out gives me so much surprise, like, oh my goodness, so pretty. It's so insane. Okay. I kind of probably pick the second thing, but it'll have to be. Oops, where did it go? So the second thing will have to be this. Oh my gosh. Just so pretty. I can like put them in my bag and everything. Oh my gosh. And the rest of these things are just equally beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at the photos. I'm just gonna pick one. Wow. Oh my gosh. And they're like, you know, glossy kind of feel. It's just not like plain. So, okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love Winter Package. I think they did one of the best ones so far. Compared to the Summer Package, the only thing different is they don't have a poster this time. But then, you know, my room is full of posters. I have no space anymore. So, I love everything and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be holding a giveaway very, very soon. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my doggy channel, I'll link it in the description box below, so please go support me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!